Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be solving a simple checkpoint question in opening up brackets in algebraic expressions. The question says, simplify the following expressions using the correct order of operation. Remember, whenever you have more than one basic operation in math, you must follow the order of operations, which is BIDMAS: brackets, indices, division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction comes last. Brackets is to simplify everything inside the bracket first, then open up the brackets. Then, if there's indices, you sort out the indices. But in this case, there are brackets, two brackets, but no indices. So let's sort out the brackets first. Now, you look into inside this bracket, you see 4w plus x plus 2y. There are no like terms, so you can simplify. You look at this again, w minus x plus 3y. There are no like terms, so you can't simplify. So you open up the bracket with the 7. Opening up brackets with the 7 means multiplication. And whenever you have a number outside without a sign, it means it's a positive number. So we're going to use 7 to open up the bracket. Please don't make the mistake of multiplying only the first term with 7, but multiply 7 with all the terms in the bracket. So we go 7 times 4w is 28w. 7 times x is plus 7x. 7 times 2y is plus 14y. I'm done opening the first bracket, so I open the second. I'm opening the second bracket with a -5. Anytime you are opening brackets with a negative, please be careful, because the interaction of a negative number is different from the interaction of a positive number. So let's go. -5 multiplied by a positive w. Negative and positive multiplying each other is negative. So this is 5w. -5 times negative x, positive 5x. So moving on. Now, look at this. You have an expression that has w, x, y. W, x, y. W and w like terms. X and x like terms. Y and y like terms. So I'm going to group the like terms together. Let's group. 28w minus 5w plus 7x plus 5x plus 14y minus 15y. Now, all the w's are together, all the x are together, and all the y's are together, so we can simplify. 28w minus 5w is 23w. 7x plus 5x is plus 12x. Now, 14y minus 15y is positive and negative. The bigger one is negative, so you have negative y. Is negative 1y. But in algebra, you don't write the coefficient 1. So, final answer is 23w plus 12x minus y. And you are done. If you enjoyed this video and you learned something, please subscribe, like, share this video, and turn on notification so you don't miss any math tip. Thank you.